How to get Discord backup code without a login. So if you're still logged in into Discord in any devices, go to user settings, my account, view backup codes, enter your password, and save the new codes immediately. You cannot generate or view new Discord backup codes without being logged in. Discord only lets you access backup codes from inside your account settings. Now, what you can do instead is try logging in normally. On two-factor authentication screen, click verify with something else and use one of these methods. Say backup code, authenticator, app code, SMS code, or a passkey. If you lost access, check for screenshots in your gallery, password managers, or all downloads folder. According to Discord support, if you are logged out everywhere, lost your authentication, and don't have backup codes, SMS, or a passkey, the Discord support cannot remove two-factor authentication or issue new backup codes. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to thumbs up the video and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.